Okay, now let's go to another advanced point. The 9 needles of classical acupuncture. Number 1, which classical text first described the 9 needles?
Wang Di.
Wow.
Wang Di.
Which needle is considered the ancestor of the modern filiform acupuncture needle?
Oucha.
Haoshin.
Wow, galing. Which needle was primarily used for bloodletting?
Tang
Hengjin.
Chan.
This is how it looks like. Sa totoo lang,
Here.
nakakatakot sa tingnan.
Ang kapal
Which
eh.
needle did not pierce the skin?
Round.
Round.
Needle.
Which needle resembles a small gua sha tool?
Spoon.
Needle.
Spoon, syempre, no? Yan. Hanapin nyo dyan yung parang gua sha, o, di ba? O, halata naman yung pangatlo, no?
Yes.
The chisel needle was mainly used to
Move.
Yang
Yang.
stimulate Wei Qi.
move the yang qi, stimulate wei qi. Yan. Ba't nakakatama? Mukhang
Pang ano, oo, pang wood.
papayag ka ba? Ganyan na
Yes,
gagawin.
pang wood.
Ayun.
Or, parang masakit siya.
Which needle was used to treat boils and abscesses?
Sword needle.
Word needle.
Sword needle. This is the sword needle. Wow. Mahaba. Ano siya? Sharp. Which needle is associated with threading techniques?
Hair
Air.
needle.
Hair. That's the hair. Which needle was commonly used for sleep disorders, for deep disorders and numbness?
Long needle.
So kaya long eh. That's the long. Do you like it? Which needle was used to drain fluids and dampness near major joints?
Big
Air.
needle.
Of course, that's the big needle. The lance needle is also called
Three-edge needle.
three-edged needle. Yan yun. Which needle primarily stimulates the superficial level of the divergent channels?
Chisel needle.
Which needle had a spoon-shaped end?
Tishan.
Tishan. Which classical needle was most similar to a surgical lancet?
Tishan.
Yan. Which needle is used to seize qi and obtain ta qi?
Round sharp.
Sharp needle.
Yeah, that's a round sharp. Which needle was used for massage and pressing channels?
Wanshan.
Yuan Shan. Yan. Ay, maganda siya, no? I like it. Do you like it?
Yes.
Parang medyo,
pang takip.
oo, parang medyo ano siya, mukhang elite, no? Which needle was traditionally applied for chronic diseases?
Spoon needle.
Chronic, yan yung spoon. Parang di siya mukhang spoon. Okay. Which needle was used for heat syndromes and swelling?
Fengshan.
That's the function. Which needle is associated with treating P obstruction?
Round sharp.
Round sharp needle. Round sharp. Which needle was used for superficial pressing without insertion?
Chanzen.
Wow. Hindi siya ini-insert.
Oo.
The long needle was approximately how long?
7.
7 tune. Ang aliit naman ng 1.6. Yan. 7 tune.
7 long.
Which needle kakatako? Which needle was used for deep muscle or joint disorders? Okay. The big needle was primarily associated with
Draining.
fluids.
Draining.
Draining the fluids. Which needle uses circling techniques to open a point?
What
Sword.
needle?
The sword needle. Which needle was used to stimulate Wei Qi?
Chisel.
Chisel needle.
Needle. The hair needle was mainly used for
Threading.
threading techniques. Which needle was used for long retention in chronic numbness?
Hair.
Hair needle.
Hair needle. Which needle was used to bring deep conditions to the surface?
Round
Round.
needle.
Which modern tools replace the lance needle?
Lancet
Lancet
plum
and
blossom.
plum.
Lancet and plum blossom. Which needle was inserted only about 0.25 June?
Sword needle.
Huh?
Sword needle.
Sword needle. Which needle was especially used for fleshy areas and deep abdominal conditions?
Long.
Of course, kasi malaman. Which needle was associated with draining dampness near the joints?
That's yan.
Dachshund. Which needle was used to nourish blood and yin through threading techniques?
Hair needle.
Which needle is also called the filiform needle?
Haotian.
O yan yung ating needle ngayon. Haotian. Which
Haotian.
needle is described as having a rounded tip like an egg?
Huajian.
Galing.
Huajian.
Which needle was mainly used for qi obstruction and deep pain?
Chisel.
Yuan Li Chen.
Chisel. No, Yan Li Chen.
Yuan Li Chen.
Qi obstruction.
Chi
Deep pain.
pala si
Yan Li
chisel.
Chen. Which needle was used for treating wind in the joints?
Long needle.
Which needle technique involved lifting and thrusting with small amplitude?
Chiseling.
Technique.
Which needle required the practitioner's self-cultivation for effective use?
Round sharp.
Which needle was used for superficial stimulation of qi?
Shanshen.
Which needle was commonly associated with treating excess conditions?
Qingxin.
Which needle was used like a massage tool rather than a piercing instrument?
Yuan Shan.
Which needle was best known for draining pus?
P.
Pus is P.
Os is
Which needle type represents the standard acupuncture needle today?
Haotian.
Which needle was useful for paralysis in the low back?
Long.
Long. Okay. Actually, sino ba yung nagsabi na mahaba daw talaga yung nilagay sa low back niya? 7 June.
7.
Paano wala yung pain? Which needle was considered part of a complete therapeutic system, including surgery and body work?
9
needles.
needles.
Which needle technique may provoke Wei Qi defensively if too aggressive?
Flicking insertion.
So wag masyadong if you flick. What is the most important factor in using the round sharp needle effectively?
Self-cultivation.
of the practitioner.
Yeah. Which needle was designed to treat chronic P obstruction from unresolved pathogens?
Lance needle.
The 9 needles demonstrate that classical acupuncture included all except.
Pharmaceutical chemistry.
Wow. Thank you so much, everyone, and congratulations.
Thanks, Doc.
Thank you, Doc.